Well, well, can you hear that noise? Guess what? It's the dollar crashing. That's right. Good morning, people. Thanks for joining me again. A lot of interesting developments over the last few days. I've got a few messages, and I thought that the best thing to do, just to keep you updated, was to give you a very quick update. Just before I do that, I just wanted to say to everyone out there, all my subscribers, the people watching my channel, thank you very much for all the kind words, the emails that are coming through. Much appreciated. But really, I hope you watch these videos and you get something out of them yourself, and for maybe your friends and family also. So yeah. Okay, let's get straight into things. This morning I actually watched it and ended up closing for the day 47% down. Insane. There are Bear Stearns is now getting sold off for well, at the moment when I'm speaking, like $2 a share. I remember Bear Stearns when it was trading up around the $129, $130 mark. So now it's down around $2. That's serious stuff, but like I said, there's more of it to come. Probably even worse stories still. Looking around the traps and talking to my friends, seems like now there's a few other banks that are in trouble over the next coming month or next coming days to weeks. Lehman's, Citibank, those guys looks like they're in a whole lot of trouble in the next couple of days to weeks. So they're two of the major banks you probably should look out for. Okay, dollar down to around about the 70-cent level now, getting absolutely smashed. There's third world vendors now that are not accepting any US dollar currency, and as you see, like the yen and the Chinese currency gain muscle, watch them. They'll go into America and start buying up US properties and US businesses. In fact, you're already starting to see it as we speak. And the Fed are absolutely, they're doing a horrible job. They're crashing the dollar, and it's going to get a lot worse from here still. Yes, I thought it was quite funny when obviously I am from Australia, and the market in the morning, Ben Bernanke, actually they released their Fed cut announcement. It was literally like 10 minutes before the Asian markets over here opened up, and I thought, you know, here we go again. But the market came down. It was like it was an expected decision, and there was already a little bit of negativity in the air, and the market, what did it do? It came back down. So seems that Ben Bernanke and the Fed boys, with their little tricks, not working so well now. But we still have to sort of watch what happens in that area and see what happens with further rate cuts down the track. You know, I was talking to a very good mate of mine, and he's basically said that in the Fed's desperation, they've thrown out 40 years of monetary policy. 40 years. You're talking back to the 1960s. You'll hear people say, you know, the credit bubble is now bursting, blah blah blah, or all the rest of it. That's not true. You actually have the credit bubble that's now bursted, and also the property bubble at the same time. Two major moves on market that are now come to an end. Look, here's a very interesting fact, and it is a fact. The collapse now of the subprime and other related industries have recorded record losses in the insurance companies greater than that of Hurricane Katrina, which goes off on record as being one of the worst natural disasters in US history. And that is what we're dealing with. It's absolutely insane. And now I guess we're only just starting to see how corrupt corporate or financial America really is. It's like a criminal been lying, and now the hammer is dropped and they're forced to tell the truth. And the proof is in the pudding. Just look at the figures they're now releasing, especially with Bear Stearns. A very reputable company, been in Wall Street forever, now smoking pile of ashes. But like I said, there's more of those sort of stories to come. And obviously I have one major prediction that will happen very soon, and you'll find out just how bad this really is by watching the market slide over the coming days, weeks, months. In fact, in the next couple of days there could even be a big major move. It's getting very important for the market in the next couple of days. But eventually you will see how bad this has become. There's lots of ignorance from the general consensus out there, but as the market continues to slide, you'll see more stories like Bear Stearns, and you'll really see how bad the lies and the deceits have come. And it's going to lead to, yes, big, bad, long drawn out court cases, jailings, and more market movements on the downside. As I said previously a few days ago, I expected some of the commodity prices to come down, like your silver and your oil and some of the other soft commodities out there. And it looks like that's actually happening at the moment. Obviously, commodities have had a huge, big booming area. There's a lot of people that have taken their money out of the market and have hedged against it by putting it into commodities. If you have a look at some of the charts, they're almost vertical. And obviously, some profit taking is coming in. Oil has come down about 4% overnight. Gold is holding fairly evenly. But you'll see, yes, some of the commodities will start coming down a little bit. I expected that totally. But in saying that, if America goes into a serious recession, which will be coming, or i.e. down the track a depression, you basically can't lose with some of the commodities. Why? Well, due to inflation not even being factored into, I can see the price of gold going down up to $3,000 an ounce. Serious as that. Yes, might be a bumpy road up to that 3,000, but longer term, gold is a very good investment. So too silver and some of the other metals there too. And also, like I keep saying, some of the agricultural commodities, like your sugar, wheat, grain, rice, obviously also taken a hit, which is what I expected. But really that is short term. I can really see the bull market in the commodities in that area continuing for the next, say, 24 to 36 months. So yeah, I just wanted to keep that very short today. Like I said, the next few days, well, the rest of this week is going to be very important for the US and the economy, and it's setting up a foundation for what will happen in the coming months down the track. Okay, I want to thank you for watching this short video today. Also, keep your eyes on some of those big banks. Looks like there's some serious trouble brewing there, so you want to keep close to that and keep watching those and some of the stories developed in that area. Okay, appreciate you joining me today. Listen to the short video. I will keep you posted in some of the new developments on market. Thank you yet again. Enjoy your day, and I will talk to you very soon.